Good morning, students. On that day, I have completed about the types of colloids. Today, I will start a concentration of a solution. So, first of all, what is the difference? What is the definition of the concentration of a solution? I will tell you. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given quantity of the solution. Means is this is a beaker, solution is here, this is a solution, and I have add a solute. Means how much solute I have added in a solvent, that is the concentration. Okay, in this again they are saying the solution having a large amount of solute is said to be a concentration. It is known as concentrated solution. One thing I would like to tell you, that what is the meaning of concentrated and what is the meaning of the dilute. Okay, concentrated means a pure substance, a pure chemical, and a dilute means we are adding a maximum amount of water, that is a dilute. Understood this thing? A concentration of a solution is this. Okay, in other words, what can we say? We in a percentage we can say, if a solution of a solid solute dissolve in a liquid, then we consider the mass percentage of solute. Means if solid solute means sugar, if we will add in a liquid, in a water, then mass percentage will come. Concentration of a solution is defined as a mass of solute in grams present in 100 grams of solution. For an example, this is the beaker. Solution how much? 100 grams. And how much solute we have added? We have added a little bit amount, means 10 gram we have added. Now numericals are coming according to this topic, that is concentration of solution. Okay, for what is the formula? Concentration of a solution is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Now beta, see how the mass of solution is coming. The mass of solution is coming by addition of mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Okay, both the things are here, it form a solution. Okay, 3-4 things I will tell you, then it will be clear for you. Now here you can see the numerical mass of solute is this. This is a solute and this is the solvent. Very easily you have to find out the solution. So both the things you have to add mass of solute and mass of solvent, that is come as 100 gram. Now this come as mass of solution, means we have got it the mass of solution, and mass of solute is already here. So what is the mass of solute here? 10 gram. 10 gram we have put it. Total what the thing come? 100 gram. 100 gram we have put it and multiply by 100, because 100 multiply here. So what is the thing come? It come as 10%. 10% means mass of solution is a 10%. Now next numerical we are discussing with you. Please write these numericals in your copy. A solution contains 13 gram of sugar. Now this 30 gram of sugar, this is what? This is solute, because it is in a small amount. 370 gram of water. 370 gram of water means this thing is solvent. First of all we have to find out the solution. So what you have to do? 30 plus 370. 30 plus 370, what it will come? 0.70314. 400 it is coming. 400. Okay. You see this thing. Now next. See here now. 400 I said. Now put the value on this. 30 is a solute. 30 is a solute and 400 is a solution. Into 100, the thing comes as 7.5%. Okay, this thing is very easy. Now I will say to you, this also concentration of a solution only we have to find out. Okay, concentration of a solution we have to find out. Now the case of a liquid solute dissolve in liquid solvent. We are talking about both the things are liquid. So see here, what is the formula here now? In this one the formula is mass, in this one the formula is the volume, because of the liters. So concentration of solution is equals to volume of solute, volume of solution into 100. Volume of solute, what we have taken? You can see this thing. In this one it is written, volume of solute of alcohol we have taken 20 and water we have taken 80 ml. Now for making a solution we have to add these two. It comes as 100 ml. Now 100 ml is what? It is a solution. Now formula, what is the volume of solute here? The volume of solute here is 20 and total solution is coming here 100 into 100, it is coming as 20% by volume. Please listen very carefully. Volume is coming when a thing is a liquid. Liquid and liquid, both the things. Mass is coming when one thing is in a solid form. Understood? Now next concentration, next is sample problem. Next sample problem is also same. We have to find out the solution. This also same. Okay. Next. If 2 ml of acetone is present in 45 ml of aqueous solution. Now in this one, acetone is 42 ml. Acetone means solute. Volume. Now beta, this is very interesting. That's why I am taking this one. 45 ml of solution. Now here solution is already got it. Before that what we have done, solute plus solvent, we are making the solution. Now in this one solution is already here. Now what you have to do, concentration of a solution, volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Now in this one you no need to be add, no addition takes place. As before we are adding solute plus solvent. In this one already the solution is given. It means directly we are putting here 45 and 2 is the solute into multiply by 100 and thing is coming as 4.4%. Understood? This is concentration of a solution. After the concentration of a solution, I will take a second one, concentration of a solution. One is volume and second is mass. So understood about the volume and about the mass?